How to send plain text email in Mailchimp. So the first step is to simply click on create, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply give it a name and then click on create email. Now the next step is to simply scroll down, and then what you're gonna have to do, so as you can see here, you're gonna have to simply click on plain text. So let me go back here, and then we're gonna have to simply go to content. Let's click on design email, and then what you're gonna have to do here is simply choose plain text. So as you can see, we have simple text, we have minimal, and we have other templates that we can choose from. So I'm gonna go with simple text, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you go to styles here, you can change the colors, you can change the text, as you can see. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.